everybody. In this video, I'm going to be doing an iON sync earthing kit install on these Altra King MTs. I think their stack height is somewhere between like 15 and 17 millimeters. So what I did is I loosened the laces, and I take the block anvil, set it on my workstation, and I'm going to set my shoe on the block anvil upside down so that it's positioned under the spot where I'm going to be punching the hole. And I believe I'm going to be using the thickest plug on this one. So if we go to the instructions, it's saying that the large plug should be using the 6 millimeter hole punch, which is the bigger one. So I'm grabbing the 6 millimeter hole punch. I like the idea of putting it right here in the middle of the shoe. Hold that in place, and I'm gonna grab my hammer and give this a few good blows. And as you can see, it's a pretty thick shoe, which is gonna be pretty good for that size plug right there. So now we insert that through from the inside to the outside. And this, given that it has this hard plastic layer, is going to make it a bit difficult to pull. I will insert it through from the inside to the outside. And you basically want to do it incrementally. I'm pushing with one hand on this side and pulling on the other side. So I pull a little bit, re-grab, pull a little bit, re-grab, pull a little bit, re-grab. And then if it's too difficult, I can use pliers and give it a nice tug. And when it's tough, it's best to press with one hand on the head of the plug so that it's getting assisted on both sides. Right there, you can see it pop through. Now I kind of press the barb back down so that I get rid of all that stretch that I just incurred on the barb area. I'm now take a pair of scissors, and we want to trim the iON sync plug either flush or slightly longer than the lug height. So I'm gonna kind of visualize where that is, see where I want to cut, and then give it a nice swift cut. And there you can see was our iON sync grounded plug. And there we go, we got our iON sync grounded Altra King MTs with the iON sync earthing plug grounded through the middle of the shoe.